Welcome to Fluent English, where you learn to speak English fast. Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back. You are listening to Be Fluent in English with Luna and Leo. I am your host, Luna, and today is a very special day. Do you know why? Is it because we have cake? No, Leo, but I like the way you think. Today is special because we are learning numbers and age. That means you can tell people how old you are in English. Isn't that exciting?
Oh, yes, I am. I don't know how to say it yet.
That's okay. That's why we are here. By the end of today, you will say, I am blank years old. Easy, right?
Easy. Okay, I will try. And listeners, you will also learn. Stay with us because learning is fun.
That's the spirit, Leo. Now, let's begin slowly. First, we need numbers. Numbers are like the building blocks. You cannot tell your age without numbers. So, let's count together. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with numbers 1 to 10. I will say each number, then you repeat after me. Remember, no rush. We go slowly, like walking in a park.
Okay, like walking very slowly.
Exactly. Here we go. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Beautiful! You did it! Now let's do something fun. I will say a number and you say the next number. For example, if I say 1, you say 2. Ready?
Okay, sounds like a game.
It is a game. Here we go. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Perfect! Now you try alone. Say numbers 1 to 10 by yourself. Slowly. I will listen.
Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, high five, Leo. Now let's practice the other way. I say a number, you say the number before it. Example, I say 2, you say 1. Ready?
This is harder, but okay.
You can do it. 2,
1,
4,
3,
7,
6,
9,
8,
10.
9.
Amazing! Your brain is working so well today. Now let's take a small break and listen to a short story with numbers. Imagine a little girl named Mia. She has 10 apples. She gives 1 apple to her friend. How many apples does she have now?
9,
Yes, 9 apples. Then she gives 2 more apples to her brother. Now?
7,
Yes. Then she eats 1 apple. Now?
6.
You are a math star, Leo. So, numbers are everywhere. Now let's learn numbers 11 to 20. Numbers 11 to 20 look a little different, but don't worry. We learn them slowly. Repeat after me. 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20.
Very good. Now let's say them together. I will start, you follow. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, let's practice. I will say a number between 10 and 20. You repeat it. Ready? 15,
15,
12,
12,
18,
18,
20.
20,
Great. Now tell me, what comes after 13?
14,
Yes, and before 17?
16.
You are getting so fast, Leo. Now let's do a fun listening game. I will clap my hands a number of times, and you count the claps and say the number. Ready? 3, 7, 12. Yes, you listened so well. Now you try. You clap and I will say the number. 5, 10, 14. Perfect. Now comes the best part, telling your age. In English, we say, I am blank years old. I am years old, but I need my number. Yes, let me give you an example. I am 28 years old, so I say, I am 28 years old.
28. That's two numbers, 20 and 8.
Yes, you see, you already understand. For ages 21 to 99, we say the tens number first, then the ones number. But for today, we focus on 1 to 20. So you can say, I am 5 years old. I am 12 years old. I am 20 years old.
That is simple.
Very simple. Now let's practice. I will ask you a question. You answer. The question is, how old are you? That means, what is your age? Exactly. So, how old are you, Leo?
I am 16 years old?
Are you really 16?
No, but for practice, yes.
That's fine. In English class, you can pretend. So say it again. I am 16 years old.
I am 16 years old.
Beautiful. Now you ask me. Say, how old are you, Luna?
How old are you, Luna?
I am 28 years old.
28. That is 20 and 8.
Yes, you are connecting the numbers. I am so proud. Now, dear listener, it is your turn. Get ready. I want you to say your age out loud. If you are 25, say, I am 25 years old. If you are 30, say, I am 30 years old. But today we only learned 1 to 20. So if you are older, just use 1 to 20 for practice. No problem.
Can I help the listener?
Yes, let's both help. I will say a number. The listener says, I am blank years old. Ready? Number 10. Did they say it? I hope so. Again, 14, 19, 7. Great job, listener. You are doing wonderful. Let me tell you a short story about Leo. Not the real Leo, a pretend Leo.
Oh, a story about me?
Yes, pretend Leo is from a small village. He never learned English. One day, he meets a traveler from Canada. The traveler asks, how old are you? Pretend Leo does not understand. He feels sad.
Oh no, that is sad.
But then, pretend Leo finds this podcast. He learns numbers 1 to 20. He practices every day. He says 1, 2, 3 while walking. He says 11, 12, 13 before sleeping. Like me. Exactly. Then, one day, the traveler comes back. He asks again, "How old are you?" And pretend Leo smiles and says, "I am 20 years old."
Wow, that must feel so good.
Yes, because numbers are not just numbers. They help you connect with people. They tell your story. Your age is part of who you are, and now you can share it in English.
That is beautiful, Luna.
So remember, every number you learn is a little key. It opens a small door, and soon many doors will open. Now, let's repeat everything we learned today. No new information, just practice. I say, you repeat. Listener, you too. Ready? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20.
Perfect. Now let's practice the question and answer. How old are you?
I am 16 years old. Pretend.
Good. Now, listener, you say your pretend age. I will wait. Wonderful. One more time. How old are you? Great. You are learning so fast. Luna, can I say I am 2010 years old? No, Leo, 2010 is not correct. We say 30 for 30, but we didn't learn that yet. So for now, stay between 1 and 20.
Okay, what about I am 100 years old?
That is very old, but also not correct for today's lesson. But good try. You are funny.
I'd try to make you laugh.
You succeed. Now, seriously, say one correct sentence about your age.
I am 12 years old.
Perfect. Simple, correct. That's all we need. Let's do a quick review. Today, we learned 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How old are you? I am blank years old.
That's 4 things.
Yes, and you did all of them. Now, let me test you one last time. I will say a number in my language. No, just kidding. I will hold up fingers. You say the number. Ready? I am holding up 2 fingers.
2,
Now 4 fingers.
4,
Now 10 fingers.
10,
Now I hold up 14 fingers. That's impossible. But if I could, you would say,
14.
yes, you are ready, Leo. You are ready, listener. Before we finish, I want to say something important. Learning English is like planting a seed. You don't see the tree immediately, but every day you water it with practice. Today, you planted numbers and age. Tomorrow, you will learn more.
What will we learn tomorrow?
Tomorrow is day 5. We will learn months of the year and how to say your birthday. My birthday is in June. That will be so fun.
Oh, I want to say my birthday.
And you will. But for now, practice numbers 1 to 20 before you sleep. Say them slowly. Count your fingers. Count your steps. Count your spoons. Count my spoons. Why not? Every spoon is a number.
Okay, I will count spoons.
That's my favorite learner. Now let's end with a final practice. Repeat after me one last time. I am 28 years old.
I am 28 years old.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
I am 16 years old.
Beautiful. You did amazing today, Leo. Listener, you too. Give yourself a clap. Yes, like that. Outro. Thank you for listening to Easy English with Luna. Remember, go slow, be kind to yourself, repeat many times. You are learning. That is a big thing.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep counting.
See you tomorrow for day 5. Until then, stay curious, stay jolly, and keep speaking English, one number at a time. 1, 2, 3, you did it. End.